Welcome back for another video. Shout out to all my goons for pulling up. We're actually going to talk about where are the best places to buy your cryptocurrency. Now, what I have here is a Forbes article where they talk about the best crypto exchanges of February 2020. So when we scroll down, they have the two best exchanges is Binance.us and Coinbase. Now let's break that down. I personally use Coinbase. The reason for that, it is user friendly. Okay, as you can see here, the best crypto exchange for beginners. I actually have the link in the description if you want to download Coinbase and get, buying crypto. But Coinbase is the United States' biggest crypto exchange. Okay, now when it comes to exchanges, you need to actually be able to go there, right? So Coinbase has offices in the US. They have an office in New York and they have an office in California. So you can actually go there, okay? That makes it tangible. So the best and most user-friendly exchange to buy cryptocurrency from is Coinbase. I personally do not use Binance. They have Binance on this list because it has more crypto assets than Coinbase does. All right, so let's scroll down and see who else they have here. Again, Kraken is a good one. I've downloaded Kraken. I've never used it, but I actually am a user of crypto.com. Okay, the link to crypto.com is actually in the description if you want to get it. But again, crypto.com is also an excellent exchange. That is my secondary exchange. I buy assets on crypto.com that are not on Coinbase. Coinbase may be easier, but crypto.com has a little bit more assets than Coinbase. So I use both. The third crypto exchange that I use, and the link is also in the description, is Gemini. The reason why I use Gemini is because I can day trade cryptocurrencies straight off of the charts on TradingView. My top three are Coinbase, crypto.com, and Gemini. I use those three to buy cryptocurrency. Okay, Coinbase is user friendly. Crypto.com is kind of intermediate crypto buyer friendly, and it has the most assets out of the three. And Gemini, which has the least amount of assets, I use to actually day trade because it can connect to TradingView and I can trade the main assets. And there are a few that are there that I can day trade. So I just wanted to clear this up. Again, the best exchanges, in my opinion, Coinbase, crypto.com, and Gemini are the three best crypto exchanges to buy your cryptocurrency from. Now, of course, there are a few others. As you can see here, there's Gate.io, there's KuCoin, there's Bitstamp, there's Bitrex, okay? And there's also FTX, which is another good one. And of course, Binance. But I personally don't use those. I've never actually withdrawn money from any of those, but I've withdrawn money from Coinbase, I've withdrawn money from crypto.com, and I've withdrawn money from Gemini. So, to me, as long as you can get access to your money, that makes them the best. In addition to that, Coinbase and crypto.com have debit cards where you can use the money, whether it's at an ATM or to purchase things. So, those are, caveats to having those crypto exchanges. So again, Coinbase, crypto.com, and Gemini are, in my opinion, the best exchanges. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and look for more videos to drop.